What's up, guys? Welcome back to Financial Pro YouTube channel. Please subscribe, comment below. Today, we're going to talk about how to make money with Airbnb without owning any property, any real estate. So I have a website I found right here, and I'm going to put the highlights of the topics. There's 9 of them in the description below, so you guys can, whenever you get a chance, write it down, copy and paste it. Let's make this money. Financial Pro, baby. Thank you for being here. So, number one, the rise of Airbnb has seen the average person make even more money, passive income, residual income, whatever it may be. The average person. I know that some people have built on to their homes and rented that part out if it was legal in their city to Airbnb people that come in and travel if they're close to downtown. The closer you are to a downtown in any city, the more money you can make with Airbnb if you own the property. But now we're talking about people who don't own property and can still make money. So number one is managing properties. Property management could be a good option for you, especially if you are a time-rich person. So if you got the time, you can do this and make money without owning the property. Number one is managing properties. It's a great way to make money on Airbnb without actually owning any property. And you guys, excuse me, I just got these Invisaligns in my mouth, so my speech is kind of off today. Number two, Airbnb house sitting. This is an interesting one. So this person has went to the UK, and the people who own the property are not there. They went somewhere else during the wintertime because it was too cold. But if you visit the UK, you can go into Airbnb, and this person who doesn't own it, you can have an established business where you are Airbnb house sitting. So you can write that down. If you travel and you love to travel, you can establish a business where you are Airbnb house sitting. Number two. Number three is renting a furnished house. A furnished rental could be your pot of gold. This option may appeal to you if you want to go the whole 9 yards and run your own Airbnb, but the lack of funds to do so. So that's if you find a homeowner who will allow you to rent the house out. You rent the house out, and then you have the people come in and Airbnb it from you, from your company or whatever. But make sure that you get that okay from the property owner. Let's see what it says about that. Do your homework. Do your homework. Get the okay from the property owner. Don't just run a house out and get the Airbnb money off of. You could get in trouble for that. So number four, approaching homeowners looking to rent. This tactic is similar to that of renting a furnished house as an Airbnb, except this one doesn't require you to take out a lease. So number three is renting a furnished house, but you have to have a lease with the property owner, and then you Airbnb it. Number four, approaching homeowners looking to rent. What you do here is approach a landlord that is looking to rent out their property. You start a conversation with them and ask them about making 2 to 3 times more income renting their property out as an Airbnb. Emailing your approach to the next landlord, they got all of that. You make money this way. But that's if you can go on Craigslist, and another website is Oodle. Just make sure you have that okay with the property owner the second time. Number four. So number five is becoming an Airbnb cleaner. This is a great business as well. You can just clean out all Airbnb homes. You don't have to touch anyone else's home if you don't want to. Great job. This is a great source of income. Based on one apartment, the average income of a cleaner per hour is $20 to $25. Per house is around $30 to $50, and the average per month is around $800. Great source of side income if you want to do it. To get a better idea of what cleaners in your area are making, have a look at the tool called Properly. Airbnb endorses these guys, and they're a great way to research your potential income. That's Properly, Properly. So with a check-in and out window of around 5 hours, you could potentially earn clean three properties per day. In conclusion, you can check out Airbnb cleaning checklist. They have what that, but you can go on properly and get all the information you need to start your Airbnb cleaner company. And I might even do a video on that when I do my research as well. So number 6 is Airbnb Experiences. Airbnb Experiences are a creative way to make money on Airbnb that doesn't require a huge amount of cash up front. An example could be a walking tour of your city, a pub crawl at night to the best hot spots around, to all the pubs and bars or whatever, an art class with a cheese tasting plate and champagne, a guide like to Hidden Valley, a cooking class in your own kitchen, teach people how to make amazing coffee. It can be anything like that. Number 7, co-host with an established Airbnb. A co-host is similar to managing an Airbnb property, except that you are more of a consultant or concierge rather than a manager. So that's number 7, co-host with an established Airbnb. And my thing is, I would get with people who've already doing these things and try to get on with them as a under their guidance. Have them mentor you. Mentors, I really love mentors because they can show you the way. Get on with that. Check out your local area. Someone is already doing these things. Trust me. Number 8, becoming an Airbnb affiliate. An affiliate is a person who advertises for another company like TripAdvisor, things like that. You can start a blog, YouTube channel, and have that as your affiliate income. The Airbnb referral program is number 9. A little more user-friendly than that, trying to become an affiliate. You can have the Airbnb referral program or your blog, like I said, website or whatever. Now, that's all of them. It's time to make this money, guys. You have your 9-to-5 job. What are you going to do on the side with the Airbnb? You guys comment below. What do you think about these 9 different things to do as a side hustle with Airbnb? Are you already investing in Airbnb? Comment below. See you guys next time on Financial Pro.